Hello everyone, and the date is October the 31st, Halloween 2023, so it's just gone dark, so I'm half expecting there to be a knock at the door any minute with some trick-or-treaters, but let's see how we go. So this is a video about a particular aspect of astrology called the elements. Now this is my first video on astrology, and I'm sure there are many of you out there right now, well I hope there's many of you, who are watching this thinking, oh no, he doesn't believe in all that shit, does he? I thought he had some brains. Well, I do believe in it, and it's based on it's not what I've read, it's basically direct experience, 50 years of living on this planet and observing people's relationships and who attracts and who doesn't, and chemistry. And I've always said that a belief system shouldn't come from without, like a organised religion, a dogma that we just take on board through faith that it's real, but it's actually based on our own direct experiences and our own instincts. And that is why I believe in astrology, but I don't follow an organised religion. Basically, as you know, I'll come on to why I'll deal with why I believe in astrology in a separate video, but for the time being, this video is about the four elements. So in astrology, as you may already be aware, in Western astrology, there are 12 signs of the zodiac. And those signs are divided into four groups or elements. So we have Earth, which is Taurus, Capricorn and Virgo. Earth signs tend to be the practical and down-to-earth ones. And we have water, which is Pisces, Scorpio and Cancer. Water signs tend to be the feeling signs. They are quite emotional, they're caring. They often follow the caring professions. Air signs are Aquarius, Gemini and Libra. They tend to be thinkers. They're very good with words, so they often are poets, rappers, songwriters, that kind of thing. And then we have the fire signs, which are Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. Now, they are, as the name suggests, can be quite fiery, volatile, impulsive, and, thrill-seeking things. Now, the rules are this, and this is based on what we everyday experience in life, and people refer to as chemistry. Why you have a certain chemistry with a particular person and not with another. All right. So these are the rules. So those born under signs who share the same element will all attract to each other. So, for example, with Earth signs, Taurus, Capricorns and Virgos will all be attracted to one another and their own sign as well, okay? And that pattern follows for all of the elements. Okay, the second rule is that these elements form two groups, and that second rule is that those born under a fire sign will be attracted to those born under an air sign and vice versa. Similarly, in the second grouping, those born under a water sign will be attracted to those born under an earth sign, and vice versa. And as I say, every element is attracted to itself. So therefore, when it comes to friends, marriages, romantic partnerships, you tend to find that those two individuals will either be of the same element, or if they're an air sign, well, they'll form an air and fire dynamic, and then there'll be other groupings that form a water and earth relationship dynamic. Now, common groupings, the thing is, opposites attract in chemistry and in astrology. So often, the zodiac opposites, the signs that occur like 180 degrees from each other in the sky, in the zodiac, you often find that they often attract in particular as well. So common groupings like marriages, romantic relationships, you often see Gemini and Sagittarius, they're opposites, Capricorn and Cancer, opposites, and Pisces and Virgo, opposites. So my degree was in psychology, and my biggest regret in life is not doing a study on this for my dissertation. I was struggling to find a subject for my dissertation and ended up doing something that, I feel on reflection was probably a bit weak. I wish I had done a quantitative study based on this theory, because I believed I could have proved it. I have done my own little bit of research in the meantime. I took about 30 to 40 cases. I used marital partnerships as a good barometer of attraction, and found that in 76% of all cases the theory held, like 3/4 of the time, pretty much. The relationships that I saw in marriages fitted this pattern, which is, in my opinion, a statistically significant result, because otherwise, probability would just say that it's 50-50. So, what I'm going to say is, keep an open mind, and what I'd like you to do is work out, unless you don't already know your own sign, work out your own sign, and also the sign of the people who you are friends with and who you are attracted to, who your marital partners are, your boyfriends, girlfriends, best friends, that kind of thing. And you will find, more often than not, they will follow this pattern. Your relationship with that person will follow this pattern, okay? So I'll leave that with you, and look into it and let me know, get back to me when you've found what you found, all right? So basically, I'll leave it for there, and I will see you soon. All right.